Hey guys, we are back again with another video. So today is we are on our way to Clark International Speedway because practice day tayo. So I will be driving for 2025 12-hour endurance race under HG Motorsports team. So yung gagamitin naming race car is Toyota Yaris na NCP 91. But today it's the race weekend, so Friday now. Practice day muna tayo kasi hindi ko pa nadadrive yung race car namin. So testing day tayo today. And sa mga tao nagsasabi, oh, content mo naman yung Honda City. Well, today is the day. We will be driving this car to Clark International Speedway kasi habang sineset up yung kotse or while the car is not available for track use, itong Honda City muna yung gagamitin ko pang practice. Anyway, parehas naman silang front wheel drive and I mean, we built this car naman talaga for track, street and track, diba? So we built this car for street and track. So this is the chance na magamit ko ulit siya sa racetrack. The last time na nanggaling ako sa racetrack driving this car is 2021 pa. Such a long time ago. So I'm very excited to go back to the track, practice and do some laps. So tara, samahan niyo ako. Ay, kano ba yan? 5. Okay. Thank you. Let's go find our garage. So, nandito na tayo sa racetrack and pahinga muna tayo ng konti. I will be testing the Blue Yaris today. So, hopefully maganda maging oras natin. And then later on, we're going to drive this car. So, let's see.
Same siyang braking point. Okay. Natin.
I'm the blue one.
You're the blue one.
Okay.
Meron pa siyang ano kita mo yung drop ng speed.
Oo.
Sa'yo maganda yung drop ng speed. Kasi
Okay.
bigla siya.
Okay.
Yung kay Arthur, unti-unti, may
Okay.
bilog.
Oo.
Sabihin niya, unti-unti siya bumibitaw sa
gas.
So
Okay.
that's not good. Pero, he was able to stay longer sa gas.
Okay.
Thus, carrying more speed. So, sa kanina, yung sa akin, you're later by 50 meters.
Oo.
Sa kanya, siguro you're later by 30 meters lang. I think
Okay.
he's still braking early.
Okay.
Pero, this proves the point na pwede ka pang mag-brake na mas late.
Pwede pa. Kaya ng auto pa.
Kaya pa. So, kung saan ka nag-brake, naalala mo ba kung saan?
As soon as makita ko yung 100 mark, nakabitaw na ako ng gas and then brake na eh.
Okay, so... Pero tama yung ginagawa mo, yung kasi bitaw ng gas mo. Brake
Oo,
agad.
lipat
tama.
agad.
Pero, pwede mo pang iusad Kaya pa. So, anong ginawa mo? Nag-third gear ka ba? Ay, nag-second gear ka? Tinry.
Galing ako ng 50. Lagi akong 50 to sa dulo.
Fourth lang.
Fourth lang. Okay. Parang ayoko patagalin sa dulo ng rev. That's why.
Fourth.
Oo.
Sir Gab. Coco Melon, turn 1. Straight, fourth gear.
Naka-fifth ako kanina. Oo. Pero pa 6,000 na ako noon. So, fifth na ako. Pagdating dito sa may pit exit. Okay lang?
Fourth gear, pusin mo. Basta ang importante kaya ako yung tinataas 6,000 para hindi mag-bounce yung time.
Okay.
Pero pag basic,
Pero 6,000 shift na ako eh. Okay.
meron yung gawin yun, main straight, back straight.
Okay. Copy. Okay.
Pwede pa nga.
So galing 5th, 4th, 3rd. Pag akyat ko, 3rd na ako.
Yeah.
Tapos doon ako nagsisecond sa taas na.
Dancel, ikaw ba? Nag-second ka doon?
Okay. So that's it for today. Hindi na natin nalabas itong Honda City sa track because unfortunately I was struggling with the car. So from the data coming from a rear wheel drive race car with more power is I'm struggling to position the car sa racetrack, and medyo yung confidence level ko kailangan ko pa i-build. So I'm spending more time driving the Yaris, but again unfortunately afternoon session we had a problem with the lower control arms and some suspension issues that has to be fixed tonight. So na-cancel muna yung paglabas ng race car. So anyway, tomorrow I'll be back here in the racetrack para mas makapag-practice. But that's it for today. Bitin yung time. Basta bitin yung time. Pero wala eh. Ilang years ako walang track experience and ibang kotse to. So basically naninibago ako dun sa kotse. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow mas maganda na yung performance natin and shaving down lap times naman tayo according to the data. So yeah, next video na yung the next day. But for now, yun muna to. Alright? See you guys sa next video. Bye-bye. Peace.